Yay!
Just look at it. It's pink.
It gets bad on nights like these. Left me alone.
Happy New Year, everyone! Today is 2nd of January. This is my vision board of the year and I'm using it as my wallpaper. I don't know why, but I'm feeling so pumped for the new year. And also the fact that 1st of January falls on a Monday, it just makes sense. I cleaned the house, cleaned my makeup brushes, did my laundry, also went and did some grocery shopping. So yeah, I kind of just took yesterday to have everything set and I am so pumped for the day. This week is also my birthday week. Don't really have anything planned, but I'm just excited to be spending it with my loved ones, my family. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great holiday too and Happy New Year! Guys, I just got a major upgrade to my kitchen. I have a new fridge. First of all, just look at it. It's pink. I have always wanted a pink and girly kitchen and this is just the perfect fridge for me. This is the side-to-side fridge from Hisense and I got it in the pink and white colorway. I'll put the exact model that I got right here just in case if you guys want to check it out. This is probably the cutest fridge I've ever seen and it's so well made as well. This right here is glass panel. I really like Hisense products. I bought my TV from them as well and this was kindly gifted to me from the Hisense team, which is so crazy to say because I've never expected this. Yeah, I'm so happy. It feels like my birthday came early. Let me just show you what's inside of my fridge. Ta-da! On the left side, we have the freezer and it comes with this ice maker. I also have my own ice maker because I can never have enough ice. Look at all the extra space I have now. This is still empty, but I store all of my meat in this drawer. And all of these are customizable. You can put it on top of here to make this space bigger, but I like how it looks right now. More space on the door side. And I really like that it has this no frost technology, so you won't get any of that ice build up on the side of your fridge and you can clearly see everything you have in the freezer. And the left side is where the fridge is. It even comes with this little wine rack, which is so cool. I'm gonna have to go and get some wine just so that I can display all of them here. The space on the door is really spacious as well. I have all my condiments here in just one rack. My drinks, my milk, coffee syrup, and some seasoning. I keep all of my fruits and vegetables here. I didn't get that many because I won't be home that often this week. You can also adjust the humidity that you like for what you store in this little drawer. Here's a little size comparison. As you can see in the back, I still have my old fridge. I need to find a way to dispose of that or maybe sell it on Facebook Marketplace because it's still a well-working fridge. But yeah, it's so much bigger and I feel like this fridge just elevated my kitchen space a lot. Yeah, I'm so much more excited to be cooking in my kitchen now. I still can't get over how cute this shade of pink is. It's the exact shade of baby pink that I really like. Just look at it. You guys are definitely gonna be seeing this a lot more in the back of my little cooking montage. Hisense is also currently doing a Chinese New Year promotion from now until the 25th of February. I'll have all the links and information down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Yeah, if you're in the market looking for a new fridge, definitely check this one out. Once again, thank you so much to Hisense for gifting this pink fridge of my dream to me. Thank you. look so sad.
Handsome baby. Got 50% off our meal. This was less than 10 ringgit. Trying out this flavor.
Good morning, everyone. Does this background look familiar? It's my birthday today. I got a little red packet for my mom. I came home because I wanted to spend my birthday morning to have a little breakfast with my parents. I was actually so sad yesterday. I was literally bawling my eyes out in front of Tyler. I don't know why, but I think it's just the expectation that comes with age. I mean, the expectation for myself. I feel like at 25, you should somehow know what you want to do. I still feel very lost. Yeah, as much as I know I shouldn't be doing all this, and I know how people say like there is time for everything and everybody's timeline is different. Yeah, I just didn't want it to be my birthday today. But I feel great today. I think being with my parents just somehow grounds me. Yeah, I woke up feeling great, feeling really happy, and we're gonna head out for breakfast. 偷看一下多少钱可以吗？ This is my birthday. Oh my freaking hell no. Anyway, this is my birthday fit. Tyler is gonna be taking me out today, but before we head out, we have something really important to do.
For that one, no check baggage for the other one. Correct, right?
Finally dressed up for once. He's not wearing slippers today. Well.
Bye.
清楚。Lembus.
Oh, this is for me.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, chicken namban. We got chicken namban. Wow.
哇，很大个。对。
啊，很想吃。嘿嘿，我的肚子吃饱了，好大个。
嘿嘿嘿。
We were gonna go roller skate. We were gonna go roller skate, but we decided not to. So we are here just shopping around. So we are here just shopping around, and he's gonna buy everything I touch today. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, cute.
Hoodie. The last rider price of 99 cent. 99 ringgit.
Hello, hello.
Tyler dropped me back home to get changed because we're going to be heading out for dinner again. Today is basically just a day full of eating good food. Yeah, I just want to spend the day really chill. He was going to take me roller skating today, which is something that I've been wanting to do, but there was so many sales going on at the mall right now, and so we just decided to do that some other day instead. Yeah, we just went out, ate some good food, and did some shopping. This is Tyler's clothes, and he got me this cute little fleece jacket. Is this what it's called? And I got it in brown because it makes me feel like a teddy bear, like a fluffy teddy bear. I also went into H&M and picked out 2 basic top. Tried it on and I really like the fit of it. I got one in this light gray shade. They are pretty affordable and I got an extra 10% off of these items. So, and I also got some innerwears from 68, which I'm not gonna be showing online. Yeah, that's that, and I'm gonna get changed and head out for dinner now.
First date, kind of nervous.
I'm in my bed. It was a
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to 50 day. Happy birthday to you. 祝你生日一天长。耶
21歲。
！21岁。
This is Chanel and this is from Vivienne Westwood. 这是我最近很喜欢买的，没有啊。Use code ChristineDay26 for 26% off. Link in the bio.
Yay!
Okay, give me a.
Yay! 有点甜。
你 have buffer 5 minutes.
Today I'm gonna be attempting to make another batch of my Greek yogurt because I finished the first batch. I'm also gonna be ambitious and attempt to make granola for the very first time in my life. I don't have an oven, but I saw a recipe that you can make it in your air fryer, so I'm gonna try to do all of that at the same time. Just brought this out from the air fryer. I think I burned it a little. It still tastes fine. I will still eat it with my yogurt. Still crispy, but I did burn some of the berries a little, so I'm individually picking it out. So 真的超long了, but yeah.
Hello.
这个妈咪，
妈妈。盖盖。
这个题目贴着呢。我是狗，我被打了，你跟你讲。hey, that's so good.
你儿子要骂我呀？ Somebody is gonna scold me。我的儿子不会骂我的。好，这边哦，我只是不要你，handsome baby。